In this video, we'll provision a virtual machine running Linux with the Aurora Gateway package already installed. We'll be using an OVA file provided by Riley Telecom, which is set up with the CentOS Linux distro as well as the Aurora Gateway package. We're using the vSphere client on our VMware ESXi 5.5. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to deploy an OVF template, and we have several files. We've got a CentOS 7 version as well as an Ubuntu version. We're going to select the CentOS and we'll click OK. We're going to be using, for the most part, all of the default settings. We can change the name, but I'm going to leave it as the default for now. The only thing I'm going to change just for this demonstration is I'm going to go with thin provisioning rather than the thick provisioning. You may want to do differently depending on your deployment. I'm going to use default networking, and we'll let it get started. This should only take a couple of moments. 2 minutes, 3 seconds it thinks it's going to take. I'm going to go ahead and pause it for now. Okay, deploying of the gateway on the CentOS 7 has completed successfully. And here is our newly deployed virtual machine. It is not running at right now. I will start it up momentarily. And on the next video, we're going to go ahead and configure it to work in your particular environment.